I have the box for this Uniview LPR. Let's go ahead and open this guy up, see what's inside. First, we have our typical mounting hardware. We have a hex wrench in there, as well as a quick start guide and a mounting template. Also inside the bag, we have this weatherproof tape for sealing up the connections. Also inside the box, we have a weatherproof grommet. And finally, we have our camera. This is the Uniview LPR in all of its glory. It's a pretty good sized bullet. This thing is pretty beefy and heavy. It's got an integrated junction box, which is really nice. This is a motorized varifocal bullet camera. It has a 10 times zoom from 4.7 millimeters to 47 millimeters. The 4 bright IR lights on the front give it that powerful 165 foot IR distance. If you unscrew the cap here, we do have access to a micro SD card. This thing can handle up to 256 gigabytes of internal storage. Looking at the connection pigtail here, you can see that we have our typical DC 12 volt connection, our Ethernet connection, but we also have audio in and out, alarm in and out, RS485 connections, as well as a BNC connection here, which you can use to connect this to a spot monitor. The integrated junction box here is really nice. It's got 2 pathways for your cables. You can either connect some conduit to the side of your junction box, pipe your cables out that way, or you can route your cables through the bottom here, send it right into the ceiling or the wall, wherever you're going to be mounting this. It's all weather sealed to keep your connections nice and safe. And again, we do have that additional weatherproofing ability with the grommet and the weatherproofing tape.